Hello guys, today I'm in Beach Road in Pattaya. I am just outside Hotel Hilton in Pattaya Beach Road. Today I try to talk to some Thai people about foreigner and about Thai and what the ladies prefer in a man, if they want Thai man or they want foreigner man. But that is a very hard question to ask the Thai lady about, because I could talk to some lady, but they didn't want to be do it on video, so they were too shy, I think. Of course I will try that another time here in Thailand, in Pattaya, but today I didn't have the luck to do that. But if I have later, I keep on trying. I will put it on this video, of course, and if not, sorry, I will do it another day. But it's actually, the Thai lady is very shy here, and I understand them, because why should they tell me some private stuff like that. I actually thought it was easier to ask about that question. What do you prefer, foreigner or Thai man or something like that? But nobody answered, and they say if you turn off camera, I can tell you. And the question about that, if they prefer Thai man or foreigner man, it's pretty much the same, because the ladies I talked to today, they say, everybody say some ladies, some Thai ladies prefer not to work, and then they want Falang that have plenty of money, and so they don't work. But other Thai ladies, they say no, we want to work ourselves, earn our own money, and so they can buy their own stuff, and then the husband or boyfriend, they can pay the rent, the car, all the big stuff. So that's what I get out of that today. But as you can see, I'm standing outside Hotel Hilton here, and it's actually pretty quiet today on the beach, even that it's high season now, but it's also Sunday, so maybe that is why everybody is on the beach and have a picnic or something like that. I don't know.